how to recover deleted story on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are confused about how to recover a deleted story on TikTok, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the exact steps to get your story back. Now, let's dive right in. First, let's say you accidentally deleted one of your stories. Now, in order to do that, you need to simply go to your TikTok. Then you need to simply go to your profile. Once you're in the profile, let's say this is the story and I've accidentally deleted it. But before deleting the story, let's say I have saved the story. Or if the story was uploaded from your gallery, the story will be right here on your gallery. As you can see, the story is simply on your gallery. Now, if you want to avoid the situation in future, let's say you forgot to save your story and the story is gone and you want to avoid such thing in future, you need to make sure to turn on autosave feature in TikTok. This way, every time you create a story, it will automatically be saved on your phone. Now, in order to do that, you need to simply tap on the three horizontal lines located at the top right corner of your screen. From here, you need to simply tap on Settings and Privacy. Once you're here, you need to simply tap on your account option over here. From here, you can see the option that says download your data. Now, simply tap on download your data. You need to select the file format. Simply click on TXT and then click on Done. Then, once you have done that, you need to click on Request Data. TikTok might take some time in order to review your request. Once it's done, you can see it on the download data and all your data will be downloaded right after that. So, this is how you can recover deleted story on TikTok. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.